Believe it or not, getting help at large companies sometimes is not very easy. We saw that people were struggling. They would have friends that they would contact when issues happened, which was okay until those friends were busy or not available. And then you had a workforce that was just stuck in mud, if you will. There was a brainchild that we decided to create to give users kind of automated help. That way users could ask some basic questions and get help. The challenge we had with TechBot was kind of very menu-centric or response-driven. So TechBot only knew about the things that we've pre-programmed it for, which is fine to a point. But we started to see these other AI tools have more of a conversational nature. It came down to our CIO, Samir, challenged us to say that we needed to create this agent that he wanted us to get released in a very aggressive timeline. He gave us about 6 months. We have talented developers. We could build something that would work. We couldn't build it in 6 months. So we decided to go ahead and invest in Moveworks because we thought it would not only meet what we wanted to do from a timeline, but also fulfill our customer or our business partners' needs of a more efficient, more natural bot with agentic capabilities. Because it's one thing to get an answer, it's another thing to get actually your issue solved. And that's kind of where we want to go.